Congratulations, you did it. You decided to join No Filter, and now you're probably thinking, what do I do next? Well, before you post anything about your business, stop and watch this video because I'm here to show you exactly what to do next. While you are super excited about the starting of this journey, not everybody is going to be as excited as you. What? It's your job to help to build that excitement. How do you do that? Well, I'm going to show you. It's all about curiosity. The more you build the curiosity in others, the more excited they're going to be. What are you talking about, Cassie? This is what I'm talking about. When you start your new business, instead of blasting it all over your social media about, I just joined No Filter, this is what I'm doing, this is what I'm selling, it's all about this and all about that, start building that curiosity so others are really curious about what it is you're doing, and then you're going to funnel or direct them to your new group. So if you have not created your very special VIP group, you're going to want to do that first. There is a separate training video on exactly step-by-step how to create your VIP group. Watch that, create your group so that you have somewhere to direct your people, your friends, your folks, your soon-to-be customers when they start engaging on your curiosity post. The next step is don't wait. Don't wait for your kit to arrive. Don't wait for your products to get here. You already have your website, which means you are already in business. If you were to go out and buy a brick and mortar store, you would want to have your doors open as soon as possible, and you would want to open them every single day. How would people know about your business if you were not sharing and marketing? So go ahead and start talking about it now. But the way to do it is to build that curiosity. If you're not sure what to post, don't fret, don't worry. There's a link below that is going to take you to a document that I've created that gives you every day for 5 days, your first 5 days, on exactly what to post that's going to build that curiosity in others and get them questioning what it is that you're doing. So you're going to post these on your social media platform. That's going to get people engaging in that post, asking questions. What is this? What are you doing? What's it about? And as soon as they comment on that post, you're going to reply, and then here's the key. You're going to go to your messenger and you're going to private message them. You're going to start to engage in a conversation with them, and then you're going to ask them this key thing. Write this down. If I, will you? This is such a strong message to people because it displays that if I help you, will you help me back? And I use this in so many different conversations with people, even if I'm shopping for something myself. So what I always end a conversation with is, if I added you to my group, would you take time and look around? If I, would you? And it works every single time. So you're going to go on Messenger, you're going to start a dialogue with them, a conversation. You are still not going to expose exactly what it is you're doing. You're just going to ask them, if I added you to my group where I'm sharing additional details, would you take time to look around and provide your feedback? 9 times out of 10, they're going to give you a yes. What you're going to do, that VIP group that I mentioned, you're going to add them to that group, and then you are going to send them the link to the group. If you have already created a welcome post, or maybe you are doing something like a giveaway, tag them in that post. This is what I call ATM, adding, tagging, and messaging the link. Those 3 things are going to make sure that they're in the group, they're tagged in something that's important in the group so they see it, and then you're going to message them the link so that you ensure that they know that they are in that group, because just because you add them to the group does not always guarantee that they get the message that they have been added. Facebook can be a little tricky, okay? So make sure you do those 3 things: add, tag, and message. So I've given you what to post for your first 5 days. By the 5th day, or very soon after, you should have your kit. Now, if you are comfortable, I would recommend you go live in your group and reveal what you get in your kit. Talk about the company. Talk about how excited you are. Talk about how they are US based, how they are toxic free, how they have skincare in their products that help to improve the skin. Talk about all of these things. Show that excitement, because when people see that you're excited, they are also going to get excited. But before you go live, and this is on the 5th post that I share in my document, you're going to post on your Facebook feed, your wall, that you are going live, and you're going to be giving the big news who would like the invite. That's going to encourage people to comment, and when they comment, guess what? You're going to reply, and then you're going to message them and ask them, if I add you to my group, would you take a look around? And then you add, tag, and message them, okay? If you're not comfortable going live, that's okay. You have other options. You can pre-record it and then post it. Or you can just post a picture showing everything and talking about what it is you got. There are so many other alternatives, okay? You don't have to go live. But if you want tips on going live, there is another training that we did that talks about how you do that, okay? After you do your very first live or share about the products that came in your kit, this is when you officially want to launch your business. And this is when you're posting every day, 3 to 4 times a day in your group about the various different products and how they help people with specific needs. If you are not sure what to post, there should be a training video on how to launch your business, and there are scripts out there available to you on exactly what to post and when to post. And in the training video on how to create your group, there is step-by-step on how you can pre-schedule your post so you aren't having to remember to go and post in that group each and every day, several times a day. Now, you do want to make sure that you are engaging in people that comment or share different things, because if you're engaged, it's going to help others that are in the group to be engaged as well. If you are not engaged, why should others in that group be engaged? So you want to make sure that you are engaged in what it is that you're doing in your group so others will be engaged as well. Also, do not forget to still continue to post on your Facebook wall, your personal Facebook wall, because this is going to gain interest from others to continue to join your group. You want to continue to grow your group and add people that show interest in your business. I recommend posting to your personal wall 3 times a day. You want to post something that's inspirational. You want to post something about you personally that you do, your hobbies, your interests, your family, your pets, whatever it is that you are interested in personally. And then only post one thing about your business that's intertwined with your personal post. And then you also want to encourage to redirect people to your group. As always, I hope this was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to comment below. If there's other trainings that would be beneficial to you, please just let us know. We are always here to help you be successful.